Hello everybody, here's my latest commission. It's a house sign, Angel's Whisper, that's the name of the house. And when the clients came to see me, they brought with them their pugs. They were out dog walking. And it very quickly became apparent that they adored these pugs. In fact, they couldn't decide whether to commission me to make a mosaic of the pugs or the house sign. So I had the idea of combining the two. I asked them what number they lived at and they said 89. So here we see Lennie as the number 8 and Lottie is coming in as a 9. It's really important that her coat was tonally soft like the sky to blend in, because if it had been the bright red that it really was, we wouldn't have made out that letter 9, number 9. And of course with a house sign, legibility is everything. Anyway, I think I've pulled it off. I love it. The client loves it, but will the postman love it? That's the question. And to that end, I've written this accompanying verse. Number 89. As Posty was walking down the street, he began to whine, oh, where is number 89? Then he suddenly saw it and said with a shrug, oh, I get it now. It's the one with the pugs.